If you want to set up two-factor authentication in 1Password, then I'm going to show you how you can do that. You want to log into the admin console for 1Password, or let's say your account, then click your profile in the upper right and click on Manage Account. From here, you want to look for more actions, click on that, and here you can set up the two-factor authentication. Now, to do this, you can use a security key, as you can see right here, and you can add the security key from here, or you can use the authentication app. To do that, you want to use your iPhone or your Android phone, whichever, and you want to go to the Play Store or App Store and look for Authentication app or Authenticator app. You will find a few options, right? And so you have the Microsoft Authenticator and you also have the Google Authenticator app. This is the one with a colorful star, right? That you will find there. And you can download this app. And now to set it up, it's super easy. Once you open up the app, you can go ahead and scan this QR code and proceed by next. And you can also write this in as well. And so once you scan it, you'll be able to quickly set up the application and have two-factor authentication app readily available to use with 1Password. And it's a straightforward process as that, guys.